You could use a solid color, whatever yarn you want to use, but I'm using this ombre. And I'm also using an H hook, a 5.0 hook. This is the first leg warmer I made. We're getting ready to do the second leg warmer. I did 30 rows, which came to about 13 inches. And I did 40 chains. And you end up doing 39 stitches. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do 40 chains because this leg warmer is from the ankle to just at the beginning of the calf. So we're going to half double crochet in every chain. So you're going to wrap and you're going to go into the very first chain from the hook. And you're going to half double crochet. Wrap, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 3. Now you're going to wrap, you're going to go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 3, pull through all 3, wrap, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through all 3, wrap into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through all 3 loops. And you're going to do this all the way to the end for 39 half double crochets. You got that? I'm going to do it again. You're going to wrap, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through all 3 loops, wrap, go into the next chain, whoops, I'm going into the top of the chain. Pull the yarn through, pull through all 3 loops. One more time. We're going to wrap, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through all 3 loops. And do this until you get to the end. Now that we're at the end of the row, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to we're going to half double crochet in the back loop of the half double crochet. We're going to wrap, and you see the V shapes? Can you see the V shapes? I know this is a dark color, but I'm hoping you can see the V shape. When I get to the lighter color, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. You're going to wrap, and you're going to go into the back loop and half double crochet. So you're not going into the front of the 2 loops. You're going to go in between. You're going to go in between into the back loop. And half double crochet. We're half double crocheting in the back loop. I'm going to do a few more rows so that I get to the lighter color because I want to make sure you see what I'm doing. I'm half double crocheting, not in front of the half double crochet, I'm going in between. I'm going to the back loop. You see, I'm going into the back loop doing half double crochets. I'll be back so you can see it clearer. I did about 2, 4, 6, about 7 or 8 rows so I can get to the lighter color so that you can better see what I'm doing when I half double crochet in the back loop of the half double crochet. So I've already chained 1 and turned, so I'm gonna wrap, and as you can see the V stitches, I'm going into the back loop of the half double crochet, and I'm gonna half double crochet. I'm gonna wrap, go into the next half double crochet, and I'm going into the back loop. You see that? I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to wrap, and I'm going to go into the back loop right here. See, I'm going into the back loop, and I'm going to half double crochet. And I'm going to continue to do this until I get to 14 inches. No, until I get to 13 inches and 30 rows. See how it looks? Can you see the pattern? I'm wrapping, and I'm going into the back loop. So I'm going to return when I finish doing my 13 inches and 30 rows. I'm finishing up my 30th row, which takes you to about 13 or 13 and a half inches. And it's now time to put the ends together. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch the ends. We're going to slip stitch the seams together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to chain 1, and then see these half double crochets? I'm going to go right through this half double crochet and go into the chains that we made. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into these chains. These are the chains we made. You see here? So I just chained 1. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this first half double crochet in the chain space. And I'm just going to slip stitch all the way through. You see that? Did you see that? I'm going to go into the next stitch, and I'm going to go into the next chain, pull the yarn all the way through. That's your slip stitch. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go into the half double crochet, go into the next chain space, and I'm going to pull the yarn all the way through for my slip stitch. One more time. I'm going to go into the half double crochet, go into the chain 1 space, and slip stitch. And I'm going to do it all the way to the end. I'm going into the half double. Oh, did I do it? Yes, I'm going into the half double crochet. Going to the next chain one. I mean, not chain one, but chain space. All the way through. And so forth until you get to the end. I'm finishing up putting in my slip stitches. Now see, this is the end. I have to weave that in. All right. Whew. Now that's it. All right, so this is the leg warmer. And it goes from the ankle to the bottom of the calf, or to the calf, I should say. I'm going to cut this so I can weave in the ends. And what I'll probably do, and I'm going to do, I'm going to take the two ends and I'm going to tie it in a knot like so. And then I'll weave in the ends with a large eye sewing needle. All right, so here you go with 2 leg warmers. All righty. And I'm satisfied with it. Okay. So my next video, I'm going to do another leg warmer. It's going to go from the ankle to over the calf, and it's going to have a cuff. So I'll see you at the next video. Don't forget, comment, let me know how I'm doing. Hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Bye now.